Hello. Uh, I figured I've been making videos for all those for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday. So I figured I might as well do one for what I picked up yesterday. I was working and I went for lunch and I said, you know what? I might as well go check Barnes and Nobles to see if they got anything. And lo and behold, they didn't have these when I went Thursday or Friday or Saturday. And I don't think I went to Barnes and Nobles on Sunday, but they didn't have these. And I saw them on the shelf. And I'm like, oh, like I'm not an expert with Pokemon. I mean, I know some stuff, but I'm not as good as most people. Like the experts, I'm sort of just starting to get into it. But when I saw these, I know that these are gold as far as Pokemon is considered. And I said, I'm taking them. Usually they're 40, but they charged me like 43 or 44. I couldn't believe it was like $3-4 extra. But I still, like I said, my buddy Randall that I stand in line with at Target before Target became jerks. He told me if I ever see these, buy them instantly. There was only 2 left, and your limit's 2. So I could have bought other stuff, but I figured spending 40 some bucks a piece on these. These are the Elite Trainer boxes of the Shining Fates. He said Shining Fates is by far the best Pokemon stuff. So, you believe that? 2 of them. During lunch. I went somewhere. Oh, I went to Big Lots to check to see if they had anything. But of course, I've never. It's funny because I go to the Big Lots in Hazleton, which is about 24 miles away from my house. And I get cards every single time I've been in there. The one time they even had 2019 jumbo packs at Big Lots in Hazleton. 2019 Topps baseball jumbo packs to be precise, to be specific. So, okay, that's my video. I just wanted to show that I've got a whole bunch of other stuff that I should show you too, but I don't know if I have the time to do it at 6:45 in the morning. All right, I guess that's good for now, and stay tuned for another video with all the stuff I got at the shows on Sunday and packs and stuff. Oh, yeah, you know what? I didn't do a Sunday video. I only did a Thursday, a Friday, and a Saturday. I mean, Sunday video, I bought stuff at the show, but other than that, I didn't spend a real lot, and I went to go search at the Walmarts for whatever was left over from their Thursday, Friday, Saturday stockings, or Wednesdays, when they restock Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, whatever. And there was only like Top Series 1 or Top Series 2 baseball, and I thought there was Bowman, but it wasn't. It was Heritage. So I got like a pack of Heritage and a pack of Topps, the white packs. I'm not sure which one it was. Okay. All right, well, that's the video. Thanks.